आज ही डाउटनट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello friends, welcome. Today we are taking up a SAT mathematical question which states find the inverse of f, which is a function which is equals to 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 2. So this function has three elements. In order to find the inverse of a given function, we need to invert the elements. So here in this function f, we have three different elements 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 2. If we could write or represent these elements as a, b, we have to change them to b, a for f inverse. So let's inverse each of the element. So we could say that supposedly that we are trying to find f inverse is equal to 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 becomes 3, 2, and the final element as 2, 3. All elements are inversed. But in this f inverse, we could see that 2, 1 and 2, 3, both of these elements are having 2 as the first element. That means 2 yields 1 as well as 3 in the output. That means if we give an input of 2 into the function, both 1 and 3 are yielded as output. But we know that the property of a function states that for each input, there is a distinct output. If we give distinct inputs to a function, we are obtaining distinct outputs. So this does not satisfy the value or the definition of the functions. That means f inverse is definitely not a function. So we could say that the inverse of this function f does not exist because f inverse that we obtained by the traditional method is not a function in itself. We definitely reach a particular answer, but this is in itself is not a function. So f inverse does not exist. That's it guys. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।